Okay, mi gente, pollo guisado, it is. Yes, yes, yes. So here I have some cut up chicken that I removed the skin. I just added garlic powder. Now I'm adding some onion powder and it's salt free. Allow these seasonings, okay? So you could put as much as you want. All right, it's up to you. Now you see I'm adding some black pepper. Again, salt free. Okay, now I'm adding some ground cumin, which I run out of it. But, ground cumin gives it some of that nice tropical flavor. Here I have whole dry oregano. That's the one I like to use where I could crush it and really release those wonderful flavors. And here I have adobo complete. Adobo complete has less sodium than the regular adobo, okay? So here I'm adding half a package of the chicken bouillon and a package or sazon. Yes, 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 yes. Now I'm going to start massaging the chicken. And that chicken I cut up, I remove all the skin, but it's all preference. Some people like to eat the skin in stew. I don't. All right, so I remove all the skin for the chicken and clean it really good with some lemon juice. All right. So now we're going to add a little bit more seasoning of the same type, just less. All right. And while we doing this, guys, if you've been watching me for a while and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, that like button. And guys, do not forget the bell icon. All right. Y'all keep forgetting that bell icon that's going to let you know every time I upload a new video. So don't miss out. Don't miss out. And when I tell you this recipe came out delicious, ooh, Lord. It came out super good. So here I'm adding a little bit of sour orange. And if you don't have no sour orange, just add a little bit of orange juice mixed with a little bit of lime or lemon. And it's just fine. And if you don't have it either, it's okay, guys. All right. So here I got my pan heating up on medium high. And I added just a little bit of olive oil. Because remember, the chicken doesn't have any skin. All right, so just a little bit of olive oil. That's all it took, guys. And here I'm starting to add the chicken. I like to add the backbones of the chicken because those bones release such a good flavor on your stew, guys. I'm telling you, the best way to do any meat stew is adding those bones of the meat to your stew. All right, so here I'm adding all my chicken to the pot. I cover it up. At this point, it was cooking already about 10 minutes. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Look at that. Okay. Look at that. And, we call this, in Puerto Rico, we call it pollo al vapor. But it's basically bracing the meat. And I'm telling you, that's the best way to cook a stew. Brace your meat before you add anything else. So here I'm slicing some carrots. I like to slice them in the angle way. If you like your carrots bigger, again, it's preference. All right. I like my bites a little bit smaller. But if you like yours bigger, honey, go ahead and cut them bigger. It's not going to mess with the flavors. I promise you. So here I'm showing you how I cut up the potato. All right. And I like about that size. And again, if you like your potatoes bigger, go ahead and do just that. All right. So here, as you can see, look at the beauty in that chicken, guys. Look at that. Look at that. And you saw the little bit of oil we added, right? Just a little bit of olive oil. All right. So nobody can tell me this chicken ain't healthy cooking. All right. Doesn't have the skin. And all we needed was just that little bit of olive oil. That's it. But look at the beauty on that chicken right there. We're going to continue to brown it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that color. You could just eat it just like that. So first, I'm going to start by adding my potatoes to it, because the potatoes takes a little longer to cook than the carrots. And I like my carrots to have more of a bite. And then I like some of my potatoes to break up a little bit so it could thicken the sauce. And look at that. And here it have brown up, way more. As you can see, look at that golden brown right there, honey. That's nothing but flavor when we start adding those liquids. So now I'm adding bell pepper, red, green, diced up, and some onion. And again, I am cooking this on medium low, on medium low, on medium low, on medium low. And I just added some chopped up romaine tomatoes. And again, guys, all these fresh ingredients, you add as much as you like, all right? Here, adding some sofrito. If you don't know how to make sofrito, guys, I'm going to leave the link below. I have the recipe below. I show people how to make the sofrito. So no excuses, okay? Go ahead and learn it. It's very quick. And guess what I'm adding to this chicken? Some red wine. Some red wine. And I added more than that, guys. I thought I was recording the second time. So I added a little bit more of that red wine. And you add as much as you like, honey. So here I added the rest of that chicken bouillon. Some sliced up olives. I love me some olives. But guys, any ingredients that you do not like, again, make the recipe your own. There's no right and wrong here. All right. Look at that chicken. And you see that brownness? That is going to come off in the liquid as you continue to cook. And it's just flavor. When I tell you it's just flavor. I took some for work and I ate some. Whew. And here I added a can of tomato sauce. And the tomato sauce I added also is salt-free. And I'm adding some more water. I like to add a little bit of water at a time. I do not like my stew too watery. I like it more, the gravy a little thick. I do not like it watery. But it's all preference. If you like yours watery, honey, go ahead, add more liquid. It's all preference. All preference. And here I'm adding a whole envelope of sazon to my broth. I just seasoned the stove too. All right, but it's all good. It's all good. So here, as you can see, you see that? And I added just a little bit more of water. And now I'm going to let all these ingredients just simmer. I let them simmer for another 10 minutes. And look at that beauty, guys. Look at that. Look at that. And then I cook a little bit of white rice with it and some tostones. Also, I'm going to link the recipe for tostones. If you don't know how to make some good tostones where they are not dried up. But, I'm also going to put the link below, okay? And so maduro, if you like maduros, I'm going to link the link below. You choose. And I ate this with some avocado, and voila, this is it. I added some fresh cilantro at the end. And guys, this, you could lick the plate. Literally, you could lick the plate. I hope you give this recipe a try, guys. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next recipe. Thank you for the support, and have a wonderful day.